Okay, what's up? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive at a 1970 Camaro with a 350 under the hood. This one here does have power steering. Pretty decent paint job here. I just did a walk around video pointing out any kind of flaws all the way around the ride. I want you to check that out so you know everything about these cars. We do that with every car on the car lot, so check out maplemotors.com and look at all the current inventory. We update every Monday with new vehicles, and we put like 100 detailed pictures, all the finance information, shipping information. It's all located at maplemotors.com. This one's got front disc brakes, American Racing wheels, dual exhaust out the back. And if you hit subscribe, you can see daily content coming from this channel. Also share on Facebook, it helps us out quite a bit, and hit like. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Oh man, you hear that buzzer? It does work. Let's get rid of it. Starts up nice and easy. The dash is in good shape. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We play that game on this channel. I have to put her in gear, but our gauges here. This one's not hooked up. These are old. Oil pressure is working. The temp gauge has not came up yet, and it should have by now, so I don't think it's working. They got a new shifter set up, and I like it. It's very clean. Check out that walk around video. It does help quite a bit. I show every flaw on the paint job, interior. We just check everything out. You can see the package tray needs to be replaced. Headliner's a little bit loose, needs a cover for that. Gas gauge does work. We don't need to get gas this time around. Can't stand behind mileage because of the year of the car, but it's showing 83,000. Every 100,000 it goes back to zero. Wipers fly. I mean, you could knock somebody out with those. That sounds pretty good. Let's try that horn. No spring, no horn, probably no ground. Blower motor does work. It looked like you'll have heat. It looked like it was all hooked up. Radio is a Clarion, but I couldn't get no sound out of it. Let's hit the road and see how she runs and drives. Okay, so they put new carpet in here. The seats have been redone, but they didn't put seat belts back in here. Let's take off down the road. Anything I see, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. Speedometer's coming up. Steering's got a little bit of play in it, not much at all. Seems to be shifting nice, and we are going straight as an arrow. Is the passing gear or the kick down hooked up? Same thing. I don't think it is, but you can always shift down. Nice and smooth. Brakes, a little stiff on the brakes on this one. It's stopping. The harder you press, it will go and stop as fast as you want. But you really got to get down on them. They're just stiff. Left turn signal bulb is out on the dash. It is working on the right side. Now that nobody's behind us. And, woo! Yeah, the harder you push, the faster it stops. But this front left tire there locked up when I stomped on the brake. Of course, they'll probably do that when you do that. All right, we're gonna roll through here, get some outside shots, continue this test drive, and get on back to the lot. I've got about 4 or 5 cars I want to get done today. Trying to be efficient. Ooh, almost witnessed a wreck there. Slow it down, Mr. Jeep. Slow it down. All right. Let's get these outside shots. If you want to see what I use to make these videos, look below in the description. I have Amazon links to everything. Okay guys, hey, summertime's almost here. I can feel the heat today. I'm not complaining at all. All right, so far so good. Car's running great. No temp lights on. This one doesn't even work. I would definitely replace this cluster. That thing looks pretty old. Something to do to this car. New gauge cluster. You probably don't need it. I bet the original temp gauge is hooked up, and you'll be just fine. Especially with this car not being built. Just a good driver. Shouldn't have many issues. Thing I need to check. Yeah, y'all look good. I can watch what the camera looks like on my head through my phone. Runs and drives pretty good. Like I said, steering's nice and straight. Brakes are a little stiff, but they're stopping. If you had to stop fast, they'll get you there. Little squeaky belt. I can hear it when I punch it. Dash is making a little bit of a squeaking noise. See if I can figure out where it is. It's up there squeaking somewhere. I don't know where it is. Getting ready to pull back into the car lot. Check out the detailed pictures on my website. Also go to maplemotors.com if you need financing or shipping, and we'll get you hooked up. I do appreciate you watching. Hit subscribe, share, and if you hit that like button, it helps me out quite a bit. Let's move this sign and get another test drive rolling. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.